Right, now we're going to graph one where the y is smaller than this negative 3x plus 9. So now I want you to think about this. First off, let's just pretend it's an equal. Y equals negative 3x plus 9. M is still negative 3. That's the slope, meaning negative 3 over 1. And the y-intercept is at 9, or 0, 9. So I'm going to put a dot at 9, go down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1. And notice this has a bar, so it's a solid line. Now, I would just like to reflect it. It's going down 3 over 1, so when I hit here, go up 3 over 1. But if you kind of wanted to see how you do this one, this is the same thing as the y. The y is less than it, or the negative y has to be opposite it, greater than. So I kick into effect. Or if I wrote the y equals right here, I'd have a negative y here, meaning the negative y is what? Greater than that one. So then to solve it, really simply, if I add y to each side, I get this. Add 3x to each side, I get that. Add 9, I just flop the sides. Or you could have multiplied it by negative 1, and if I multiply by negative 1, I got to what? Flip the sign from up there to there. I could write it either way. The slope is 3 now, with 3 over 1. Notice, and what did I say, y-intercept now at negative 9? Everything just kind of switched. The negatives became positives, and the positives became negatives. Graph it, start at negative 9, go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. Solid line. Now then, here comes the real question. Y has to be smaller. So now, if I'm right there, where do I have to go? I go down. But here's the problem. Will I ever have a negative y answer here? No, because what happens? If I have everything negative, it changes it to positive. So my only correct answers, I gotta think about where to shade it. Right? Where am I going to shade this one at? Like this. This one's going to be shaded a little different. I am only going to have answers. Y is never going to be negative on this problem, so I can only shade it down to there. Okay, that's how I would graph this one. It's only going to be shaded down because those are the only y's I can get. Now technically, a negative y would be correct, but will there ever be a negative y in this problem? No. That's why it's not there. All right? So